So I've read on the forums that this STM Street Tune Motorsports camber kit, which all it really is a grade A bolt lock washer and a bunch of flat washers. You could probably make your own if you want. So I read on the forums that with this kit and the 2G all-wheel drive Pro kit, the best combination for the rear camber kit, which is this, is to use 4 washers in between the upper control arm and the sidewall of the car. It's a bit of a pain in the ass, but not too bad in general. We'll see how it works.